In this video, we're going to talk about how to use custom views and message styling around notifications with Android 7. So, one of the new features of Android 7 is the inclusion of the ability to manipulate some of that messaging style and customize some of the views. So, this is on API level 24 and higher. So, a couple important classes are the decorated custom view style class, the decorated media custom view style, and of course, the message style class. And we're going to take a look at some code here in a few minutes on what it would take to actually use it and that type of thing. All right, so up till now, it's been very restricted in terms of how much customized ability you have around notifications within your Android app. Typically you have your header, your message, and you can do some type of action. And with 7.0, notifications really kind of took a leap forward. Now you can include additional messages and content, right? And we're going to now take a look at some of that code to do that. So right now, obviously, here before I just jump down, this is the kind of key lines that we had in current notifications. So you could set your content title, you could set your content text, and then basically use a notification manager and invoke the notify and off it went. And that was great. So now if we fast forward here now to API 24 in Android 7, we have a few more capabilities. First three lines, just ignore. This is effectively just for me to build a timestamp. Normally, again, this is a calculated value, but I just need to get some code up that will compile, of course. This is really the code I want us to pay attention to. So we have notification equals new notification, and then we have the set style. And I have equals notification.messaging style. This is the new piece I want you to really zero in on. Okay. I could also here do something like new notification.decorated custom view style that I mentioned earlier in this video. All right. I can set my conversation title, so to be whatever I like. And then I can add messages to this notification. So, for example, I love food, and I stuck a timestamp in here. But interesting here is I can continue to add messages. So I can chain these together. So I could say add message, and I could actually keep going here. All right. So something else. All right. And then I could have a new timestamp and that type of thing. All right. So with this new ability here, you're really able to say a lot more, do a lot more. But there's always the caveat, right? With notifications, the whole purpose here is you're interrupting the user flow. So the user's going along doing something and you're trying to interrupt them or draw their attention to something. So now you have new abilities to really enhance that interruption, which is really the notification, but just again, keep that user experience in mind when you're doing this. Okay, so there's been a discussion around some of the new messaging style or custom capabilities around notifications. And we also took a little bit of code segment in terms of how we actually can implement that.